Welcome to Allama Iqbal Park, located opposite Rawalpindi Stadium. This beautiful park is a haven of peace and greenery, providing a much-needed escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. One of the most striking features of Allama Iqbal Park is its lush greenery and vibrant flowers. The park is meticulously maintained, with a wide variety of plants and flowers that create a colorful and serene environment. At the heart of the park is a stunning fountain, painted in a soft beige color. Moreover, the gardeners here work tirelessly to ensure that new flowers are planted regularly, so they can flourish in the current weather. To protect this natural beauty, there are signboards placed throughout the park, reminding visitors not to pluck the flowers and plants. These signs play a crucial role in preserving the park's pristine condition for everyone to enjoy. For the enjoyment of children, the park features a variety of animal sculptures made from stones and painted in vibrant colors. These sculptures add a playful and imaginative element to the park, making it a delightful place for kids. Besides this, an exciting new addition to Allama Iqbal Park is the cricket area, which is currently under construction. In addition to the indoor cricket area, the park also boasts Wonderland. For the safety of all visitors, the park prominently displays emergency numbers. This ensures that help is readily available if needed, contributing to a safe and secure environment for everyone.